Are you a photographer or digital artist looking for the perfect laptop to elevate your photo editing game in 2025? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best photo editing laptops for 2025. Whether you're editing high-resolution images or working with complex graphics, these laptops have the power, color accuracy, and speed you need. From sleek ultrabooks to powerhouse workstations, we've got something for every type of creator. As always, I've included a link in the description box down below,
which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started.
Number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 6. The Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 6 is a high-end mobile workstation designed to meet the needs of professionals who demand power, performance, and durability. Its sleek yet rugged design features a carbon fiber lid that provides a lightweight build without sacrificing strength. The 16-inch display delivers a 2560 x 1600 resolution with an aspect ratio perfect for multitasking and viewing detailed content, while the OLED option brings deep blacks and vibrant colors. Powered by the latest Intel Core processors, the ThinkPad P1 Gen 6 can be configured with up to 96 GB of DDR5 RAM and NVIDIA RTX A-series graphics, making it a powerhouse for demanding tasks like 3D rendering, video editing, and simulation. The laptop's port selection is generous, offering Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, and HDMI 2.1, ensuring seamless connectivity with a variety of peripherals. Security features such as a fingerprint reader, smart card reader, and optional IR camera provide enhanced privacy and protection. With a starting weight of just 3.92 pounds, it's a versatile machine for professionals on the go, offering solid battery life to power through long workdays. The ThinkPad P1 Gen 6 is ideal for those seeking a balance between portability, performance, and security. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 is an innovative device designed to combine the functionality of a laptop, studio, and stage, making it an ideal choice for creative professionals. Featuring a 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow touchscreen with a 3.2 aspect ratio and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This laptop delivers an ultra-responsive and immersive experience, perfect for digital artists and designers. The Studio 2 is powered by the latest Intel Core processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, offering outstanding performance for both everyday tasks and resource-intensive creative applications. The laptop also offers up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1 TB SSD, ensuring quick access to files and applications. Its versatile hinge allows users to easily convert the device into different modes, such as a laptop for productivity or a stage mode for presentations. Connectivity options include Thunderbolt 4, a USB-A port, and a microSD card reader, making it easy to connect to external devices. The inclusion of Windows Hello for secure login and a 1080p front-facing camera with Windows Studio effects enhances the laptop's appeal for content creators. With a weight of about 4.37 pounds, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 strikes a balance between performance, portability, and flexibility. Number 3. Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED 2025. The Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED 2025 is a creative powerhouse designed for professionals who require top-tier performance and impeccable color accuracy in a portable form factor. The 16-inch OLED display boasts a 3840 x 2400 resolution, offering rich, true-to-life colors and deep blacks, making it an ideal choice for photographers, videographers, and graphic designers. Under the hood, it is powered by the latest Intel Core processors and NVIDIA RTX graphics, providing the necessary power for resource-intensive creative applications such as 3D modeling, video editing, and rendering. The ProArt StudioBook is equipped with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, ensuring that you have ample memory and storage to handle large files and multitasking with ease. The laptop also offers a comprehensive array of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and USB-A, enabling you to connect multiple peripherals and external devices for an enhanced workflow. One of the standout features is the ASUS style, a unique input device that allows for precise adjustments when working in creative applications like Adobe Photoshop. With a weight of 5.5 pounds, the ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED combines performance and display quality in a sleek, ergonomic design suitable for extended creative sessions. Number 2. Dell XPS 14. The Dell XPS 14 is a compact, high-performance laptop designed to offer a perfect balance between portability and power. Featuring a 14-inch display with options for Full HD Plus or 4K resolution, the XPS 14 delivers crisp, sharp visuals ideal for both productivity tasks and media consumption. Powered by the latest Intel Core processors, paired with Intel's Iris Xe graphics, the XPS 14 offers efficient performance for everyday tasks, light video editing, and multitasking. The laptop comes with up to 32 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, providing ample space and speed for handling large files and demanding applications. It offers excellent connectivity with Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, and a microSD card reader, allowing users to connect a wide variety of devices. Despite its powerful specs, the XPS 14 is incredibly lightweight, making it an excellent choice for professionals and students who need a portable yet powerful laptop. The laptop's premium build quality, combined with its high-resolution display and slim profile, makes it one of the top ultra-portables on the market. Whether you need a work machine for productivity or a media device for entertainment, the Dell XPS 14 excels in both areas, offering the best of both worlds. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro M4. The Apple MacBook Pro M4 is the latest iteration of Apple's flagship laptop, setting new standards for performance, efficiency, and portability. Powered by the M4 chip, Apple's most advanced silicon, this laptop offers exceptional speed and responsiveness. The M4 chip integrates the CPU, GPU, and neural engine on a single chip, delivering faster processing speeds, improved graphics performance, and seamless multitasking capabilities. The 14-inch and 16-inch models feature a Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering a 120Hz refresh rate and stunning visuals with a resolution of 3024 x 1964 pixels. With up to 64 GB of unified memory and up to 8 TB of SSD storage, the MacBook Pro ensures smooth performance even during resource-heavy tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. The device is equipped with a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and an SDXC card slot, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. The MacBook Pro also boasts an advanced thermal system, ensuring sustained high performance even during extended usage. Additional features like a 1080p webcam, 6-speaker sound system, and large Force Touch trackpad enhance the user experience. Weighing around 4.7 pounds, it offers a perfect blend of power, performance, and portability, making it an ideal choice for professionals in need of a reliable and versatile laptop.